Tired of planting your posterior on rocks and roots during your outdoor adventures? Well, fret no more. We've scoured the camping chair market like eager beavers on a mission to find you the creme de la creme of seating solutions. After extensive testing that involved more sitting than a sloth on a sunny day, we present to you the 5 best camping chairs that will have you lounging like royalty in the wilderness. So grab a snack, settle in, and let's dive into the world of ultimate outdoor comfort. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Coleman Quad, our pick for best budget camping chair. When it comes to camp chairs, you could say that the Coleman Cooler Quad chair is the MVP of the squad. We put this chair through its paces on 3 group camping trips and in backyard chill sessions for a solid 6 months. And let me tell you, it's tougher than a grizzly bear wrestling a lumberjack. Sure, you might find similar looking chairs at your local big box store or outdoor emporium, but don't be fooled by imitations. The Coleman chair is in a league of its own. It's like the superhero of camp chairs, durable, reliable, and always ready for action, with storage space for your beverages, because hydration is key, folks. A seat that fits all shapes and sizes like a glove, and a price tag that won't make your wallet cry, the Coleman Cooler Quad chair is basically the camp chair equivalent of a Ford F-150. It's robust, versatile, and adored by all who have had the pleasure of lounging in its embrace, and last but not least, budget-friendly and affordable. So, if you want a camp chair that's as tough as nails, as cozy as a cabin fire, and as beloved as a s'mores recipe passed down through generations, look no further than the Coleman Cooler Quad chair. Your outdoor adventures will thank you. Number 4. GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker, our pick for best rocking camping chair. Gaze into those campfire flames feeling as cozy as a marshmallow in a s'more with the Kickback Rocker. This chair is like the VIP lounge of the camping world. Everyone wants to nab a seat in this rockin' marvel. Clocking in at almost 11 pounds, it's not the featherweight champion, but hey, neither are you after roasting all those hot dogs. Setting this camping chair up is a breeze. Just unfold, and you're in relaxation mode faster than you can say, "Who's got the s'mores?" Surprisingly agile for a rocker, this chair won't have you tumbling backward like a top-heavy Jenga tower. However, if you're NBA player tall, you might feel like leaning back a bit for that full support effect. Crafted with a steel frame that's tougher than your wilderness survival skills, this chair is built to withstand the elements, rain, shine, or even the occasional marshmallow explosion. The pockets for your cup and phone keep your essentials close, while the carrying case lets you stroll around your campsite like a camping monarch. Remember, the Kickback Rocker prefers its surfaces like it likes its jokes, level and flat. If you're more of an off-road adventurer, it might be your match made in camping heaven. Lighter, more compact, and ready for those uneven terrains, it's the wilder alter ego to the reliable Kickback Rocker. Still searching for the perfect camping chair? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it! Number 3. Helinox Sunset Chair, our pick for best packable camping chair. Let's chat about the Helinox Sunset Chair, the ultimate game changer in the world of portable seating. Picture this: a high back frame, ergonomic design, and legs that reach just the right length at 14 inches, offering unparalleled comfort and back support. And here's the kicker: it's all packed into a compact featherlight package. Our testers were over the moon that they didn't have to compromise on comfort for a chair that fits snugly into any adventure. But wait, there's more. The carry bag is not your average Joe. It doubles up as a nifty headrest. Simply stuff it with your puffy jacket or extra layers, and boom! Instant upgrade to your lounging experience. Sure, this sunset beauty may not have armrests or come with a budget-friendly tag, but trust us, its hard-wearing design will stand the test of time. At 18.5 inches in length and weighing a mere 3.24 pounds, this chair sets the bar for lightweight and compact performance. So, Whether you're conquering the great outdoors or just chilling in your backyard, the Helinox Sunset is your trusty companion for years to come. Get ready to kick back, relax, and soak in all the outdoor goodness with this stylish and sturdy champ. Who says comfort can't be on the go? Number 2. Kelty Low Loveseat, our pick for best two-person seating camping chair. Looking to elevate your outdoor lounging game? Look no further than the Kelty Low Loveseat, the two-person throne of comfort everyone will be fighting to sit in. Picture this: a camping chair so stable, it's practically the Iron Throne of portable seating, minus the whole Game of Thrones chaos, of course. Crafted from materials tougher than a grizzly bear wrestling a mountain lion, okay, maybe not that tough, but close, this chair can handle the weight of multiple humans and even your fur babies without breaking a sweat. After years of use and more sun exposure than a Californian sunbather, it might be fading a tad, but trust us, the comfort levels haven't diminished one bit. As our lead tester will tell you, the Kelty Low Loveseat is like that friend who grows on you the more you get to know them. Dependable, cozy, and always ready for a good time. The only downside? Your friends will love it as much as you do, so be prepared to play referee for the coveted seat. Sure, it might get a little toasty on blistering hot days, but hey, who cares when you're luxuriating in the lap of durability and snugness? For a seat that's basically a VIP section for adventurous duos, consider adding the Kelty Low Loveseat to your outdoor setup. Your backside will thank you, and your friends? They'll be forever in your debt. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. ALPS Mountaineering King Kong, our pick for best camping chair overall. Looking for a camping chair that's comfier than your couch at home? Meet our best buddy, the ALPS Mountaineering King Kong. It's like the VIP seat at the campfire. Everyone fights over it because it's *that good. The plush padding keeps you lounging like a pro, while the roomy seat makes you feel like camping royalty. And let's talk about stability. This camping chair can handle up to 800 pounds without breaking a sweat. Reinforced fabric? It's basically indestructible. But wait, there's more. The King Kong isn't just a comfortable throne, it's also a storage wizard. Need a spot for your drinks? 2 cup holders. Want to stash your essentials? 2 side pockets and a sneaky little one behind your head. Setting it up is a breeze, seconds, we swear. Now, we're not here to sugarcoat things. This chair isn't winning any lightweight awards. It's a little heavy, and there's no headrest for your afternoon naps. But if you want a chair that'll last through all your camping, tailgating, or fishing adventures, the King Kong is your guy. It's like the reliable friend who always has your back, even if it means a bit of extra bulk. So, if comfort and durability are your jam, grab a seat in the King Kong. You won't regret it. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best camping chairs. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which camping chair you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.